Okay, so for the ISACA course, there are several ways that you'll be able to access our cloud. So if you have Windows, then everything should be fine. So with Windows, you can either install the vSphere client here. Okay, so you'll be sent a link, or you can actually log in through the web client. So I'm using Firefox here. And what you should find is that there are various plugins that you install for the browser. But once you've installed those, then you should be able to see your virtual machines through the web browser. So I'm just going to log in, and this is my login here. And you'll be told your password. Okay, so that's me just logging in now. And so the place that you want to go to is production once we've logged in. Okay, so once you're in there, if you go to vCenter, Home, and then VMs and Templates, okay, so it's in vc2003.napi.ac.uk, NAPI Data Center, SOC Lab. Production. Okay, so you should find an ISACA folder in there, but just now I just use this crypto one. So then once you're there, so you should find a folder for you. So in this case, I'm going to open up Kali. So if you look at the summary, here we are here. Okay, so you can see our virtual machine is powered off. So what to do is right click. And then we're going to power it on. And you should see a link saying launch console. If you don't get that on the day, then there's a problem with it. So we're going to launch our console. And there we are. Okay, so there's my Kali machine booting up now. I'll just give a little minute. So while it's doing that, I'll show you the other method that we can use. Okay, I'll just log in here. So you'll be told the login. Okay, so if you need to just press Control Delete, then it's that one there. So there we go. That's our Linux Kali machine. Okay, excellent. So the other method is to use the VMware vSphere client if you've installed that. Okay, so again it's the same kind of method that you use. Just let me get this right, crisp. Here we go. Okay, so I just shut that one down. So you can refresh, and you should see a little picture of it there, of your virtual machine. Okay, so that's loading up. So this is the other method that we use if you have Windows. Okay, so it's we go to the Home, VMs and Templates, just navigate down, Production, Crypto in this case, and there's the one that we've just looked at. So you can then right click and open up your console, and this should be our VM that we just closed down there. There we go. Perfect. Okay, So that's using the vCenter client. So you can download that from the link that I sent, this link here. If you have a Mac, then probably the best thing to do is to download VMware Fusion, and you can get that on a 60-day trial. Otherwise, hopefully it's installed. So you can see I'm running Windows and Mac through VMware Fusion. So it's a very powerful emulator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use VMware Fusion to connect to our cloud. Okay, so there's my virtual machines there. So what you need to do is you then need to go to connect to server. So the address is vc2003.napier.is.uk, and we're going to log in with ISACA, and I'm going to put the password in here, and hopefully that will connect us there. Just takes a little minute, and we'll just go back to our Kali machine again. Okay, so as I said, it's in production, and then if I go to the crypto one, there we are there. There's our Kali machine. Just takes a little minute. Oops. Clicked too quickly there. And there it's there. Okay, so that shows how the different methods that you can use to be able to connect to our cloud for the course. Okay, if you have any questions, just ask and we'll get you set up on the day.